We start the session.
Okay, we
Please
can start.
allow me to start with your little introduction, ma'am.
Yes.
A very good evening, ma'am. A very good evening to all participants here. Now, the time is to start our next session with a prominent speaker, Dr. Preeta Sharan, ma'am. So, we are truly honored to Dr. Preeta Sharan, ma'am, Dean of Research at the Oxford College of Engineering. Dr. Sharan holds a postgraduate from IIT Kharagpur and a PhD from IIT BHU Banaras. With over 22 years of experience in education, research, and student mentorship, she has guided 12 PhD scholars and executed several government and international research projects. A visionary academic and researcher, Dr. Saran has led projects funded by STEAM organizations such as DRDO, ICMR, IEEE USA, AICTE, and the Government of Karnataka. She has authored over 200 research publications, holds multiple patents, and has represented India at global platforms including NTU Singapore, Tokyo, Tokyo University Japan, and the University of Limerick, Ireland. Dr. Sharan has been recognized among the 75 women in STEAM, STEAM, is it correct, ma'am? STEAM,
Yeah.
yes, by the Government of India and the British Higher Commission, and has also received the Innovation Award from the KSTA, Government of Karnataka. Her innovation and medtech startup, supported by DST and DRBI foundations, recently earned national acclaim, securing first prize at the ITU Vatsa International Conference held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. And please start with your words, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So, my introduction already, yesterday night, I came from Mauritius. There was a conference, international conference radio, where I was the speaker actually. So, and I will start. So before starting, I hope the faculty member who are listening, they must know that why we should do the research and why we should attend this, such kind of uh, talk for the others. Just I want to inform a few slides I have prepared. Actually, I was not showing all those things, but when my mentor is there in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, I always appreciate him and always I respect him, Dr. T. Sinivas. He is a Photonic Society head also, and he has done a lot of work in photonics. It means my area of research is optical communication, optical sensor. So he told Preeta, you are thinking that it's very easy. Okay, so people knowing everything, but don't think like that. So whenever you are going to give address the gathering, you just inform why we should do the research and why we should be, different from the teaching and learning. So few slides, I hope I will share. So this is my scopus and see, these are the few as in my biodata you were reading. So I will just tell that I will remove this. Yeah, you can see now. So see, there are left side is a state government award, means Karnataka state government. This is the award where all the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan are there. And throughout the Karnataka state, only 6 people got award in innovation. Innovation means it is not like only science and technology. Innovation means one person came and he has made the, tilka laddu, we know tilka laddu. So they have made one laddu which was from the special kind of tree. वो होता है ना ट्री का जो छाल होता है बाहर का, तो दे हैव मेड एंड दे हैव फाइंड आउट इट्स very highly nutritive value, and one laddu if you will eat, then your lunch is over. So that also was the winner actually. So from all the aspect and I have developed one device for that. I Because I belongs to electronics engineering department, so my device was there. For that, I got the award. One person has made like they have shown one white shirt was there, and that immediately they put turmeric, haldi, okay, with the haldi liquid. Immediately, one drop of water, one drop, just with dropper, he put, and with cotton, just he mashed like that, and it become fully white. So he was also an awardee out of six. So this was the recognition we got. And second, you can see this is the international award. International award means every year International Telecom Union (ITU) they used to conduct a conference that is known as Kaleidoscope. It will happen in different country. So in 2024, it was hosted by India, and Department of Telecom hosted this ITU, International Telecom Union. So here you can see the ITU head office is in Geneva, Paris, and he is the head of that. He came, and right side you can see the Indian person. He is the head of the um, Indian Telecom Services, so he is from that background. And it happened 32 country participated, and I'm really very happy to inform all of you that I got first prize of 3 lakh cash award, and it was with the flag also. So this was international award. And right side you can see that everybody know the well-known personality. He is Dr. Ajay Sood, and he is the principal scientific advisor of Prime Minister Modi. So in 2023, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was there. So what they have done, they selected 75 women because it was Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for 75. So 75 women scientists they selected. We have not applied. Only one form came to me suddenly in my mail. If you are interested for your research, can you apply Google form? And I filled that. And we all were called, all the 75 women, we called in British High Commission in Delhi, and we got the honor, and it is featured in the book She. The name of the book is She. And what we are doing the mentor mentee things. So like I am Hindi speaking, so they have given me from Rajasthan girl. Okay, their parents and all, they are not so much literate, and that girl is interested for the STEM, science and technology and engineering, mathematics. So I am the mentor for that, and like this, many program Government of India is running, and I'm a part of this. So these three photo I am showing just not for showcase my achievement, but to inform all of you that if I'm also professor in electronics engineering department. So what happened starting level, I was also teaching in the classroom, teaching engineering student. Okay, but after certain time, I started doing the research and innovation. Then only I'm featured in this photograph. You can see with the award and with all the success where people are very much interested. So what I am telling that why we should do the research. So this is the answer for what actually we are doing the research and how we are serving the society. So these are the few recognition which I told. Season 75 moment. This got released in 2023. Here is down. My name is there. Mostly people are from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur, and all. So and here is the state government award certificate. Then few certificates are there. This is the best paper award where I told first prize I got from the ITU, and this is from the government of Goa. All award I got in the research. Okay, then next this slide I'm showing for the overseas travel. See, some few people, this slide also is for not for the showing that I visited many country. No, I want to inform you, you belongs to whichever department. If you are in the science or engineering or arts or commerce, it is very easy to travel to get the travel grant. Many people do not know. No, I will not apply for the international conference. Who will sponsor my? I am just telling you. Yesterday night only I came from the Mauritius. So what I am telling, 3 months before you have to apply for the travel grant. Who will give you travel grant? In Google, you just type travel grant for attending international conference or for presenting paper in international conference. The thing is that travel grant can be given only for tier 1 conference. So what are the conference which will come under tier 1 conference that you need to know? Tier 1 conference means like it conducted by IEEE. So it's not a flagship conference. It's like a HTA. So in 2013, like I went to Japan. So tsunami happened. After tsunami, they have done in a water system collapse. So the theme was drinking water. So my research was there in that drinking water. So I applied and totally SERB Science and Engineering Research Board, SERB, they funded. Then another ITP TENCON was in Macau, next to China. Through Hong Kong we have to go. And I went there and totally it was sponsored by the UGC. So what I am telling, it was written, Naval Research Board sponsored me, Indian Navy, DRDO. So what I mean to say that uh, for anyone who want to present the paper, who want to give the invited speaker, so 3 months before you need to apply, and Government of India is very kind enough, to give the travel grant. Or else if you are having any problem, you can ask, I will give you. These are the awards and all recognition and all. It will be there for doing the research. And these are the grant. So from the so many funding, because my role is in my college in the dean research to bring the funding. So you know that if you are doing the research, you need lot of equipment, and for that really I am very much thankful to Government of India. So I got lot of funding from the Naval Research Board, 25 lakh, 28 lakh, 20 lakhs. You can see that. Or Center of Excellence in Photonics, Optical Networking, and from Indian ICMR also I got funding, IEEE USA. So that small funding are there, and major funding are 15 AICT RPS, VGST, 25 lakh, and 10 lakh DST funding. I just now, very recently, I finished that funding. So these are the funding opportunity are available. So only thing is that we should focus on the research grant, how to get that. Okay, now coming to the today's agenda. So this was the information, how to get the travel grant and research funding, and why we should take interest in the research. So coming to the today's agenda, which is based on the green economy. So I will try to correlate my research funding and the green technology, and I will tell you what kind of, just what I have done in this talk. I have taken three slides for each funding. So people are also interested to get apply for the funding, and any question I will take more. I will be very happy after my talk. I would like to take more questions because I am very every habitual getting the funding. So at a time, one or two funding will be there with me. So I will talk about that. And very recently, I started my startup company, which is also I'm getting started getting funding now, not for my college funding. I was getting, me and my principal will get funding in college. But if it is the startup, I am the founder. So as a founder, also, Government of India is very kind enough to give me the funding, and what kind of research work we should do, what kind of proposal we should write, so that we should get the funding, which I will talk elaborately. So now coming to these are the agenda, which you can see that, okay, India vision and commitment, and on-ground practice and sectorial initiatives. These are the agendas. So basically, everybody know, because I was listening last few slides. The previous speaker, he was very good speaker, and he was talking more about the green economy. And so I will not talk more about the, everybody know that what is the meaning of green economy, and that improve the human well-being and social equality. That is the green economy, that I think so many talk you have listened. So all basic things, and it will be characterized by the low carbon emission. Obviously you know that it's nothing new, and resource efficiency and social inclusion, and aim is to achieve sustainable development by balancing economic growth with environmental protection and social progress. We know that now in Delhi what is going on, this is a gas chamber, and because of that their economy is also getting down. So India's vision and commitment is there towards the green economy, and they have signed so many places. So few I just I took from the net. So alignment with UN Sustainable Development Goal, then nationally, NDCs under the Paris Agreement and ambitious target. These are the few India vision and the key policies and the framework. So India is working on national solar mission. You know, everywhere now solar is very important to promote solar energy. This is also not nothing new because you are listening. And National Green Hydrogen Mission also, you know, Gadkari is our minister is focusing on the hydrogen mission. And when I will tell you, when I was in Banaras Hindu University during my master degree, that time Professor O.N. Srivastava was there, and in 1992, and he developed the, he was having the motorcycle. That motorcycle was there in the showcase, and with the distilled water mixed with the hydrogen fuel, it was running. See now, when 1992, I am talking about, uh, and he got a very good Magatsya award also from the President of India. And now people are working on the, hydrogen and solar energy and the green energy. And then National Clean Air Program, NCAP also is there, and the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Everybody know on that. I will come to my slide where which these all are so on ground practice. These are the things people are working nowadays. Government of India is giving more focus on this renewable energy projects, sustainable agriculture, forestry and biodiversity, and green building standards. Very recently, I started working on the biodiversity conservation. I will talk about that, and performance and impact, what is happening. So renewable energy capacity and emission reduction and job creation. So these are the things, and these are some challenges are also there. Some like financial and investment mobilization for large scale green project. These are the challenges. Technology adoption and indigenous innovation and transfer. Policy, every time new policy will come, and for that, for and against will be there so much. Land acquisition, farmers are not ready give to land acquisition, and those are the challenges. And then opportunities are also there, leveraging India's demographic dividends and skilled workforce, becoming a global leader. So these are the opportunities, and these, thank you. Now coming to my own research work, which is very important. So you can see that my citation is in my research paper 2283, and my H index is 26. In our engineering science and technology, H index matters a lot, and I-10 index is also very good. So this all happened because of the research publication. So you can see that in 2025 graph is going. So I have a Scopus paper. This is old data now, 225. One minute. Will you fan on कर दो? So you can see that 225 Scopus Index journal, I have published the paper. So this is my first, this one. I will focus on this. So I got ICMR funding in 2017, okay, before Corona. ICMR came into popularity in during the Corona time. So what happened? Uh, how I got this funding of 10 lakh funding was there from Indian Council of Medical Research. I will just tell you so that if anyone is interested, they can. So here in Bangalore, an exhibition was there. Their counter will come, ICMR, each HAL, NAL, they will put their counter. So I was just roaming. So I met one lady named Dr. Sadhana Srivastava, and she was sitting in that counter, and she told, this is the counter, we are from ICMR, and we are making the drug, and we are always inviting new innovation. Okay, so I just took phone number and email ID. Just I'm telling two things so that you people, because many people are calling me, and I am addressing the people, and they are very happy that very simple language you are telling how to get the funding. Okay. So what happened? I took that time. Afterwards, what happened? It happened in 2012-13. So 2012, I took the phone number, and in 2012-13, I was having two funding that time. Naval Research Board, DRDO, I was having one fund, and another fund, VGST, I was having 20 lakh, 28 lakh. So I was not focusing, I was not interested for the funding. So, but what happened in between, in Bangalore, one news article came. What they told that here traffic is very horrible in Bangalore. So one software techie, he was coming from the office and midnight, he fell down in the divider. Okay, so in the divider in dark, what happened? Nobody was taking care. Nobody was there to lift him and to go to the hospital. So his both the hand was amputated. At the end, he survived. So now the question is, it came in the newspaper. So what I did, I with my student, be final year student, engineering college, every student has to do one project in final year. So under me also they will give 2, 3 batch. Then I thought, why can't we develop something where the techies, because of any reason, if both the hands are not there, okay, then how you will move the mouse? So this is the mouse, you can see that. So if I have to move the cursor, I am moving through my mouse, through my hand, right? If I don't have hand, what we should do? So I developed this glass. This glass is 3D printer made glass, and right side of that glass is the battery, and left side is the circuit part, which I will show you. Okay, so this was a wireless compatible with any computer and any platform. Any platform, I mean to say, I'm not going in a technical detail, just I want to tell you how I got the idea and how I got the fund and how I have written the proposal. So what happened? Uh, uh, I develop this. You wear the glass, you wear the specs, and just you move your mouse up. Okay, because your both hands are not there cut. So pixel to pixel, pixel to pixel means this cursor will move up. If you are moving your head down, so it will come down. If left, it will go left. If right means mouse will go right. This was the you know thing I have done. Then what happened? How it is happening? The happening because of accelerometer and gyroscope function. Inside that, we have done the coding for that. Then microcontroller, all those detailed technical things I am not telling. I'm just telling what feature I developed. Such a small, and then it was there. Mouse is having a right button and left. Okay, double click. So what happened? We have God has given us right and left eyes. So what I have done, if you want double click, means mouse left button means left eye. You just blink fast, 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 fast blinking means cursor already you moved by the mouse, okay, and fast, fast blinking. So what will happen? It will do the left button. Mouse right button means go, copy, paste, move to. So what you have to do? You have to close your eyes for some millisecond and open your eyes. Like this, we have done the programming. So what happened? It will go to the move. So at least basic features can be able to do by the people who do not have both the hands. So this was the so see this was the final which I have given to ICMR New Delhi, and before how it was looking, just to check. Just I am showing for the beginners who want to do the research and who want to apply for the bigger funding. So when I went to Delhi first time in 2014-15, I was having this cap. You see this cap, how ugly it looks, and how many wires are there. And somebody is to, but without touching the touchpad of the laptop, by moving the head only, okay, this person was able to move the cursor. This only I have taken. I went to ICMR. ICMR head office is in hospital Safdarjung and Ames Road only. So they were very happy. Okay, so why you need funding? I told I need funding to make it small. Now you see, if you will see the previous one, where is the wire? Nothing is there. It looks like this. And now if we want this is also not so good looking because just it is a prototype. If you want good looking in your specs only, you just put the circuit in one side handle and other side is the battery. That also we can able to do it. So I am showing you from scratch how it was and how it. So for that, my vision was there. Everything will be hidden inside the circuit part. SMD I have done. So SMD, when you will do that small soldering, and every circuit part will be become very small. That only I was showing you. Okay. And then what happened? Just I'm showing you how I got. Second phase effort put by ICMR to improve the device for health use. So when I went there, then DG ICMR constituted a committee under the chairmanship of Dr. R.K. Srivastava, Chairman MCI, Medical Council of India, and that Jamana 2014-15 I am talking about, and the public health relevance. So they told that no, this type of circuit part and all is not good. You have to make it. See, they're so kind enough. Immediately they told me, okay, you come tomorrow. I just wrote one mail. Tomorrow flight you take. That Jamana we should take only Air India flight because uh, Government of India will only support. Now it's not like that. Government of India will support only the Air India flight. So I told no, it's very costly. Don't worry, you just come. Okay, whatever things in cash we will give. Okay, that time 2000 red color rupees was there. So I booked the flight. It was that time 22,000 because one day before only I took because they called me. And when I went there, I saw that from there, welcome to Dr. Preeta Sharan and the ICMR outside gate only it was written, and committee was there, and they suggested to invent and whatever. So what I mean to say, if you will put your one leg front side, all the people will be there with you. You will not believe that so much welcoming I got. 4 5 times I visited and they helped me. You see that I have written the committee found the device to be useful and worthy of support. So after that, you see the progress of the growth. You see how it was looking, how eyesight only it was covering the circuit part. These all are the development because it will not come into dream that I no circuit will be there. So with the progress, again I redefined the version, and again I went, again I have shown, then again I came back every time. Then after that, I used the wireless technology using Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is, very no need of Zigbee microcontroller, for the source to destination. So Bluetooth was very highly competent, and we got it. So these are the intermediate circuitry part which I was interested to show you, which how to develop the device, how to come to at the one end. People will see only last and oh, this is the mobile phone. How nice it looks, everything, but it will take years together. So I am just want to tell you, I started in 2014-15. I got funding in 17. Till then I was doing the refinement. Then finally, Medical Council of India chairman was happy and they told, now we will fund you. So what I mean to say that people are there to help you. And these are the battery panels. Also, I struggle a lot because it should be rechargeable battery so that once people will purchase, it should not be like every time you have to change the battery. So for that, and I want to inform the listener who and all are listening my talk that ICMR not only support the funding for anything which is useful for the biomedical healthcare sector, as well as ICMR encourage human resource development in biomedical research. So these are the things which may be helpful to you. I thought research fellowship they are giving, short-term visiting fellowship they are giving, short-term research studentship they are giving. Some student are interested, even they can apply. And various training program and workshop also conducted by ICMR institute and headquarters. Suppose if you are in your institute and if you want to call them, just write them mail and take their permission, and you can conduct one short-term research um, workshop. and you can invite them. They are very ready to come. And for the retired medical scientists and teachers, the council offered the position of emirate scientist. Imagine such a ICMR is. That's why I took this with the permission of ICMR slides. Can I show them? They told, yeah, yeah, definitely. You can showcase this to any gathering. Uh, it may be helpful to them, and they can contact us. So the council offered the position of emirate scientist to enable them to continue or take up research on specific biomedical topic. The council also award prize to Indian scientists in recognition of significant contribution to biomedical research. At present, they have council offer 38 awards, of which 11 are meant exclusively for young scientists. So these are the features. So my thinking is those who are listening my talk, they should get some benefit. So these are the, this is the second times. Okay. So this was the first few are not all my funded project I'm showing you. Just three, four funded project I'm showing you. So this was funded by BGST where we got another 20 lakh funding. So here what we have done, here I will tell you what is going on. Like I'm working where in Oxford College of Engineering, in the same campus they're having the Oxford Dental College. So my friend is there who is orthodontics HOD. He was talking that, see, you can see this white color device. This is the white color device. So he was telling that any problem in teeth will happen at the end of the day. Patient want that how much strength is there in my tooth. What are the things are possible? Either it will be, implant or filler or any operation, okay, cesarean, whatever things doctor will do, or clip they will put, whatever things they will do, but at the end, can you able to eat like previous your teeth was when you have not met with a road accident, when any disorderness was not there. So these are the conditions. So this instrument, which is known as the biting force measuring device, cost 1.5 lakh. Not only that, inside there is a green sheet is there. So after the treatment, doctor will tell, okay, you just give a bite like this and imprint, it will come. So how much Newton force each pair of tooth up and down, it will exert, it will be recorded. So this was the machine, which is not there in the college. So what they are doing, hiring basis, they will bring, because each and every patient are not, this cannot be afforded by each and every patient. So for the normal patient, they will not test even at the end how strong your tooth is, because 10,000 one sheet is there which can be used only one time and we have to throw it. So 10,000 it costs, imagine. So you can overall treatment cost how much, you can understand. Okay, so biting force characterization can be used to access these are the dentistry, orthodontics, sports science. These are the things. Okay. So what I have done by listening to him, his name is Dr. Lakshmikant. What I have done, I sat with my research scholar and I told you I produced 17 PhD scholar till now. Okay. And 6, 7 are doing now. So what we have done, you can see this device. This is the, in CATIA, we have done the design. So this, after this one, we have designed where it's a mechanically spring based. So we do not want, in previous one, you can see that wire is coming, it is so dangerous. And inside mouth, in saliva is there and it's through, it is working through electricity. So it is dangerous. It is highly, very difficult. 1.5 lakh cost, 10,000 one time use of the sheet for getting an imprint. And my device, you can see that this is a totally spring based device. So this end we are giving the patient to bite. Okay, and this end, other side, it will, this is scale actually, so it will go. Okay, it will move on this. So how much movement per we have calibrated. So here a calibration center is there. Government of India recognized center, so we can calibrate. If 1 mm is moving pointer, it means 10 Newton force. That how much we want, we can do the mapping. So we have done. So the advantage was it was low cost and you can boil it because it is made up of stainless steel material. Just boil it, give to other patient. Boil it, give to other patient. So no infection, nothing. And no 10,000 like imprint. Just tell a patient to bite and how much needle is moving other end or pointer is moving, you can able to find out. So portable and handy device, sterilization process will be easier and no power requirement. So this kind of proposal one should write. You clear cut, you have to write the proposal. Means, okay, biting force measuring device is this much is in the market price. I'm going to do because when you are going to do, you do not know that how much it will cost. But it was very clear that we are making the spring based. Okay, so obviously cost will be less and we are not using any sheet. So these are the part by part. You can see that each and every part we have designed and we fabricated, we have given in the foundry and we got it. So then clinical evaluation is taking place and you can see that before data collection, approval was obtained from the ethical clearance committee because as per Medical Council of India, we cannot do human trial if ethical committee will not give the permission. So there will be a committee of 12 doctors who will test it, okay, from all the aspect. Even for my ICMR funding, which glass I have made, it was obviously, it was outsider, it's not penetrating in the body, just wear to glass. For that also St. John Medical College I have done many times and they have done the ethical clearance. After that only I was able to give to any patient. Otherwise any device we cannot simply test on the human trial. So these are the after ethical clearance we got. So clinical evaluation has been done and doctor was very happy and even patient was very happy. Oh, very easy. Just bite it and give. Just. But 10 candidates are considered for checking the bite force in the morning and in the evening, and the left side and the right side tooth have been considered. Okay. So it's all testing going on and this is the scale which I was telling you. Okay, scale. So you can see that testing is going on. Okay, but now what I have done, it's not like that. I have done the digital. So because here needle will go, so it was little bit hard. So I have done a digital one. Little you move, little also force will be there. So pointer will go. Okay, so I have compared with the existing market. T-scan was there in the existing market. See the price, $7,260. See the price, Pewtech company, 1100, and Innobite. And our is, uh, you know, uh, last I have written with our profit, $150. Imagine. Okay, and all other you see that how much it is costly. Our is very cheap actually, low cost device. So that this kind of proposal will be, and this was our team. You can see that in our team, he is my scholar, and they are from the doctor side, and engineering student, BTech and MTech students. Okay, so these are the group of the people where I worked on this, and it was very successful. And I have changed the design, everything. I filed a patent got granted, design patent also got granted, and a utility patent. Till now, 33 patent I have applied, and 11 are granted. This was the another funded project of 25 lakh by Vision Group of Science and Technology. And so this Center of Excellence, CISEE. So what we have done in this hand grip monitoring device we have developed. Hand grip monitoring device means what happened? Actually, I only met with the road accident here. So here a rod was there. So when I was going to the physiotherapy, I found that just to go there, and in 2013, Just go there. First day they told that do like this, and they have taken 500 rupees. Just on the wall, I have to move my hand because it was so much pain was there and my hand was not moving. Okay, so I saw in 2013 when it got operation and rod was fitted here. So by Inspire, I took the 2020 I got this funding. So I wrote the proposal for 25 lakh, and this particular project aimed to detect and display real-time physical quantities of the pressure applied by hand using a hand grip. So what we have done, I will show you the device. And in this what we have, so when you are writing the proposal, why 25 lakh, why not 30 lakh, why not 50 lakh? Okay, so we should know. So I use my domain, and when my PhD research is in optical sensor, so I used optical sensor, which all will come under the green energy because it's not emission of no carbon, nothing. So all are low power handling. You will be surprised to know that optical communication, you and me, we both are connected now through what? Through optical fiber communication. Optical fiber communication required power of minus 13 dBm milli, so low, because one optical fiber is one human hair. One human hair, if I will hold also 4 5 human hair, I am holding one human hair, just imagine, for one optical fiber. So how much lesser the diameter? 12 micrometer the diameter for single mode fiber. Imagine for that much uh, less fiber diameter, how much power is required to operate. And you all are joined from different places, and we all are from different country, different places. And how fast communication is happening, how clear voice is coming, no disturbance. All it happens because of optical communication and optical so I worked on the optical communication during my PhD and my postdoctorate. I fabricated myself with my own hand fiber bracketing sensor, which is the optical sensor. Again, I am not going into technical detail because I do not know the background of the audience. And so only I am not going into detail of the equations and lot of each and every sensor will have their own basic principle to work and basic thing. Just I am telling what I have written so that I got the funding. So I have written the proposal for this hand grip monitoring device using a optical FBG sensor. Only just I want to tell you, optical sensor is having sensitivity of 10 to the power minus 6. It means what? After decimal, after decimal, suppose 1.000000001, 0.00012, 0.00013. After fifth decimal also, if any value is changing, there is a shift in the wavelength. So that much sensitive is the optical fiber sensor. So I selected this uh, in my research proposal, that using optical fiber bracketing sensor, which was the catchy point for the selectors. And they selected, okay, hand grip monitoring device she is doing by using the optical fiber sensor. So it will be really very useful. And I have written it will be for the people to come. Till today, it is there in the lab, so that anyone are interested, they can use the optical sensor. Then interrogator, for that money is required, for that 25 lakh I have written. So the way you are writing the proposal and how important it is, and it should not be only one time. When you are purchasing anything in for your lab purpose, it should be years. People will come and they will use your lab, and it should be everlasting. I observed, because continuously from 2011 I start first funding, I came till today I am getting continuous flow of the funding. So people used to ask me how you are getting so much. So every time, every title you see, development of hand grip monitoring device using optical fiber bracketing sensor. See, your title should be very catchy, and you should write which will be useful for the mankind and humanity. So this is very important, because no need to go to physiotherapy center. Doctor, 1 or 2 time you go, doctor as per advice, okay, you have to move your hand like this, okay, you move. After that, what will happen? you do yourself and you check that your sensor display will come. Okay, how much you have gained, how much your muscle strength is there. Before that, no quantify. No, you can't quantify how much strength in the muscle. Now we can quantify. The hand grip strength we have done, like a dynamometer. Like a dynamometer, in the gym it is there. So dynamometer, it means just pulling it. So their digital display is there. So what I did, first level, I took the dynamometer, I purchased it, and I broke that display. There I pasted my FBG sensor, and I saw that how much two dynamometer, same force I'm applying, how much force is coming, and in FBG sensor how much value is coming. I was checking. In this way, I have done the calibration. These are the things which was there. I just want to showcase. This is the dynamometer where I told I remove that hand grip dynamometer, and here only I remove this part, and this I pasted, and we have designed through the CATIA software. We designed, and then we printed in the 3D printer, and then we have done the experiment. Then our device looks like this, which I have hand over to the VGST. So it's like a scissor. So both the hand you have to, because if in your hand strength came, so how much strength came, you have to pull it. And here we have put the spring. So if very less strength is there, one spring, so that, or no spring, just you pull. And here this rubber is on the top, a black color is there, this black color. Here only value will come. Okay, here an elastic rubber was there, and how much force is we are measuring, that value will come in the interrogator. This was for the arthritis patient, which we are trying to pull the hand as per all the device. One thing I will tell you, all the proposal or everything, I am in the constant touch with the doctors. Because of the doctor, you can see some photograph I mentioned in the doctor photographers there, or dentist. This all with the help of the physiotherapist. So what happened? Then authenticity will be more, because people will not believe otherwise. In that funding, what we have done, you can see that here green color insole is there. It's a silicone insole. So in silicone insole, what actually we were trying to do, suppose nowadays people are avoiding to take the oral medicine for diabetic and all. So what happened? Just I will tell you, just you come to my lab, I will tell, just you stand on that. Normally you will stand. So for example, myself, I'm a now I pre-diabetic. So what happened? The way I will stand to balance my body weight, I will put my whole force on the toe side, which is wrong actually. This indicate that you are a diabetic. Okay. So yes, and I have tested many male, female, boys and girls age wise, and I tested very clear cut those who are diabetic patient there, and those who are non-diabetic patient. So clear cut. So it's so easy, you see that. Why to take oral medicine? Just to stand on the insole and see the graph. And by seeing the graph only, we can able to understand. Okay. So these are the biological word. If you are giving more force on the toe side, is plantar flexion, or heel side, that is dorsiflexion, and left side and right side, inversion and eversion. These are the four way of posture for any person. Only these are the four ways you can walk, or you can give to balance your body weight. You will stand like this. Okay. So the way you are standing, your different disease can be explained. So we have taken with the how much time, second person was standing, and how which posture. So plantar flexion, like I told you, plantar flexion means toe side was there. Okay, so dorsiflexion, and then in output like CRO is there, na? Like this. Um, we have shift in wavelength we can see in interrogator, and we have done the calculation. Again, I am not going into the mathematics. And only one thing I will tell, whenever we are doing some experiment, and typical value is 1.24 for any optical fiber bracketing sensor, and 1.24 and we were getting constant sensitivity of 1.31. So it's a nearby value. It means that our result is somewhat good. It's not any irrelevant result. For any authentication, some typical values are fixed. So we must check that if we are matching with those values or not. So that we have done, and we got almost equal. So these are the graph, and by checking the graph, we can say that. Uh, so we can see that waveform are there, raw fiber bracketing, then filter we have done. Again, I don't want to bore you by talking about the filter and all. Just I am telling you, readings came, then smoothness to get. We have done some filter we have applied, and then we have find out the patient where they are giving more focus, like standing while standing on more weight on the toe side or more weight on the heel side or left or right. Based on that, we can subject to the different disease. Okay. And then another research also we have done with that funding, where we worked on the deformation. Actually, yesterday only result out for the Yukti from AICT. So again, our student got shortlisted, and if they will get final, then 10 lakh again award is there. So we keep applying for that, but for that we need to have the prototype. If you do not have prototype, you can't apply. You can see that in lab we used to do. We have the software, and I have purchased that. This one you can see that this is in the 9 lakh. I purchased interrogator. This one. It looks like a pen drive, but it is Rodendo interrogator. Okay, this cost 9 lakh actually. So this type of device are there. So highly sensitive, because fiber is here is the fiber. You cannot see. Here is the fiber, white color. If you can see that, and it is going inside the insole actually, and reading is going through that. Inside is only laser light is there, which will act as the optical source, and detector is there, and which will in turn it will be connected to the output can be observed in the laptop. Just I was showing you the experiment. So we worked on the different foot architecture, because we all human being are having foot, 2 foot God has given, beautiful foot, and backside of the foot is having, these are the three possibility. Three architecture. It's a God gifted. This is known as a flat foot, normal foot, and hollow foot. For that also we have done the experiment, and we have find out the sensitivity, and we have find out how much pressure value it is applying. So it will can be just we have done this, and it can be used for so many places. It can be used. Okay. Next, I got DST funding. So this was the DST funding, and yeah. So, so in this funding, actually, we worked on the palm pressure again. Again, why we got, why nobody else got? This is the question. Again, I am coming to the main topic for what I am giving the talk is, you all must get one funding, and you must decide that what proposal you are going to write, what title you are going to write, so that you must get the funding from the government of India. So I will tell you, when I was talking with the doctor, they told that for our whole body weight, there is a weighing machine. Like my weight is 64 kg, correct? So how I will come to know my weight is 64 kg? No, nothing, no problem. I will stand on the weighing machine. So that weighing machine, if I will stand, I will see, oh, it is. But you tell me, there are 11, I have written only 6 disease. There are 11 kind of disease related to upper limb. Upper limb means this hand, ऊपर का हाथ, upper limb, lower limb means leg. Understood? So 11 kind of disease are there. These are the disease: carpus tunnel syndrome, frozen shoulder. In frozen shoulder, your hand is hanging like this. I have seen in Imhan's hospital. Oh, patient, do you think they are doing acting? No, their hand, no control. You cannot lift your hand only. Then you have swan neck deformity, this. Okay. Then you have branchial palsy, then arthritis, then tennis elbow. Like this, there are so many kind of disease where the challenge for the physiotherapy doctor was they are doing the treatment, but patient is not getting recovery. Why? And which the direction of the treatment is in the right direction or not? No machine is there. What was the demand by the doctor side? Demand was you make a upper limb upper limb weight monitoring device. Okay, you can see that I have written the proposal for first time of in history of its own kind. In history, I'm challenging. You can find out where is the any device which will measurement of upper limb. You will say that same weighing machine, no way. Same weighing machine will not work out. The basic physics formula W is equal to m into g will fail actually. Okay, so we have developed in my R&D. This is my R&D. You can see that with the 3D printer, we have developed one device, which orange color device. You can see that where load cell sensor are there. So we can apply the pressure and we can see that some value was coming. Okay, so in starting level, these are the doctor who are doing the master in the physiotherapy. They have done internship under my lab and they were so happy. So what happened, for whole body weight just we have to stand, but for upper limb you will surprised to know that, because I don't think anyone is background of physiotherapy background. They have uh, B physiotherapy, BPT, and MPT, Master in Physiotherapy. What they are telling, in day-to-day life, our hand is very important, and to take the weight of the hand, okay, weight of the hand or pressure, how much pressure, there are this many position, full arm weight. You have to stand, sit, and take, then stand and with toe put full arm, then uh, forward loading, somebody will push you, then next I will show you to see that backward, when somebody is pulling you, then you apply the pressure, then you see how much weight is coming, then side loading. Why actually I ask doctor, why all those posture is required? Then what doctor told, physiotherapy doctor told, it is because it is because when we are going on the staircase, then what will happen? Our body, you have to understand, our body is leaning towards, otherwise we will not able to balance. When we are coming down from the staircase, our body has to go backward side to manage our body weight. Understand? Based on that, our hand, whatever problem happened, frozen shoulder or numbness, and doctor did treatment. First day, what was the when patient came, how much was the pressure? After the treatment, how much was the pressure? This doctor was able to decide. See, previously device was looking like this orange color, how it looks like a, now we have done like this, such a sleek, such a this we have designed, and in CATIA software we have designed this, and in 3D printer we fabricated. I will show you how it looks. This is another design. Full palm pressure, you can apply the value, and chargeable, it can be chargeable. Okay, yeah, and this is for the old device with the patient. Again, we have to blur the face as per Medical Council of India. We should not reveal the patient identity. So that MPT girl is there, master in physiotherapy. She's taking with the patient. I gave so many devices till now, 8, 9 devices I have developed. All devices I will give 3 month, 4 month in the OPD hospital, and they will use it, and then they will tell this is the lacuna, this is the problem, and we will improvise it. Okay, so these are the motherboard where all the circuit part will be there inside, and 1 inch also place we have to uh, should not be extra for fitting total. And now we fabricated. So now this device look like this. This is totally fabricated, made in India and made in our college, 3D printer based. And here is the button for this one. And here is that side is the rechargeable battery is there, and here is the touch button. So now what happened, if patient has to start, suppose doctor told, okay, you have the frozen shoulder, you do this exercise, some exercise they will give. But first day, when patient came to the doctor, how much was the pressure value? Doctor will measure. Before it was not like that. How he was doing? He was putting the ink on the hand and they were applying on the white sheet. And then they were checking. Next time when you do the exercise and again you come, then how much is the pressure weight? Like this, they will just observe. Now value will come. Everything.
Disaster neither atoms.
Hello? So, not only that, with this 3D printer device, we are giving with the app also. So you can see the app is there. In the app, doctor is sitting in different location, patient is sitting in the different location. Both are having the app. One is the patient mode, one is the doctor specialist mode, and they will write their profile, login, like how we are creating the login app. And in this app, patient first, before doing, they will do the touch button and then they will do the exercise. And then evening again they will do. So what will happen? You see, graph will come. It means recovery rate you can find out whether your treatment is in right direction or not. You can able to find out. So this was the biggest advantage. So this device is of its first kind, and we are going to launch this device because it is not there anywhere. And I took this device to Mahakumbh in Pragati Maidan. It happened again in Bharat Mandapam, where I was invited to showcase because I have done my startup company. So I got a free silver pass to showcase my this device, and it was approved uh, by the DPIT. So I have taken this device and I got lot of appreciation, and now I am waiting for the regulatory body. And this only, which I told you, this is the next device which I told you I presented, I got first prize. So again, this here what I have done, just I will show you, very less time is there. This is the device. So what happens, suppose somebody's hand is stroke patient, permanently hand is damaged like this turn. Suppose if my hand is proper, so I'm lifting the glass, I drink water and I'm keeping. But if my hand is permanently damaged like this, how I can lift? Then water will spill over. Or tea is there, it will spill over. For that, till now, doctor was not having any device. So what we have done, we have developed this attachment. This is, we have given the name as attachment. So it will attach below the base of the glass. And what will happen? If I will hold and hand is damaged, then it will show what angle it is damaged, what angle. So, so doctor want to know ROC, range of the coverage, means which angle to which angle doctor has to treat. So he will do the treatment of this range only. So this was also not there, which we have developed this device. See that in the jar below it fitted, in the glass below it fitted with velcro, it will fitted anywhere. If someone is in bathroom taking bath, in magga below that it will fit, and angle will be measured. How much is the angle? That angle will be known by the doctor in the remote place, through the cloud. Data will send to the cloud. That part also we have done. So this is the patient. You can see that in the hospital. So he's testing on that. Okay, and last slide. So this is first kind of its. Doctor, it is very easy because, and one more thing was there. Uh, if hand is perfectly all right, this is the good hand, perfectly all right. Green light will be there. If your hand little bit you have done the practice, so orange light, and hand is fully damaged, means red color light will glow. So anybody can understand, oh, if I am a patient, my target is from red to orange color and from orange to green color. So it is very easy for any patient to recover it. So how much exercise you are doing, more exercise as per the doctor prescription, you can recover your hand a very perfect way. So this was the invention which we have done. And the last slide I am showing you, because 9 o'clock is my time. So this I have done for Indian Railway, where I got 22 lakh funding from AICT RPS funding. So what we have done in this, I will just show you. Uh, huh. You see that? Actually, this is the railway track. So what happened? Eh, in Indian Institute of Science, they are making. I am in the and the committee member for the advisory committee. So it is actually NL scientists are there, and you can see that there are so many problems are there in the like. I will tell you three problem. First problem is on the same railway track, two train is coming and run night 2 o'clock. Suppose then how head-on collision will happen and train accident will happen, which by using the optical sensor, we can avoid it first. Second thing, flat wheel. Flat wheel means what will happen? Wheel will be there, na? Wheel. In the wheel flatness, this is in my R&D center. This. So here you can see that a wheel is there. This wheel will be actual train. It is coming with the actual train architecture is 52 wagon is there. In 52 wagon, each wagon means each bogie is having four wheel, which will become flat. So difficult for a hammerman or to a person to check with visual this one. So what we have done, we are testing the optical fiber sensor, where actually they have done like this. Actual, it is going on, but still it is not commercialized. This is in the actual Yashwantpur railway station. They have given for Prashanti Express and Rajdhani Express. Government of India has given to Indian Institute of Science. By seeing that, I got this idea and I have written the proposal for the small, because we will not having access of the actual train. So we are having in our lab rat, I can say lab rat, the lab model train, where flatness will be there. So the wheel will become flat. So other four wheel will rotate and go, but one will become flat, so it will fit on the web. This is in the rail. So what will happen? It will fit. So it will go by like this, मतलब घसीट के जाएगा, where others are getting rolled. So it will derail. So immediately the flatness which will start by 3 mm, we can able to detect it. How we can able to detect it? Like this. Suppose if four wheel are there, so suppose 24th number bogie and third wheel is getting the flatness. So what will happen? Each amplitude is suppose this much height. So, suddenly one amplitude is half 50% amplitude will reduce if flatness is there. So that we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, or else we can index it. This experiment we have done in our R&D on the projector, where bogie is going and we can see equal amplitude. It means no defect. So flatness of the wheel can be measured and we can avoid the passenger safety system. So what I am telling, how I got this funding, because of I have written for a proposal for we want to develop rail wheel model in the lab rat, in the lab train model, to for the passenger safety system. See the word, catchy word, passenger safety system. So what are the aim objective we will do? So I have written I can avoid the two train on the same railway track. We can find out before accident will happen, collision. Second thing, flat wheel detection. We can find out. Third, I wrote dynamic load analysis for goods train. Goods train, what happen if coal and anything is not symmetrically kept, it one-sided kept, then also chances of derailment is there. So that three experiment, I have written the proposal. Only it was online submission. You know that AICT RPS online submission is there. It means you are not written before and submission. No, page one, fill the data, then page 2, fill the data, page 3. So, and immediately, like, I was very surprised. 1 hour within that proposal I submitted and it got selected. In All India ACT RPS, that time, only 22 people only got. So, this is for one wheel model, and one wheel model also for temperature also I have done in the I have written for the proposal two things, for the 4-wheel model and for 1-wheel model. 1-wheel model, here we can increase the speed and we can see the temperature, how much temperature fluctuation. And I will correlate this one with the actual train temperature sensor. And this was the proposal. Again, I am not going into detail of the technicality. Just I am telling what proposal I wrote so that I got the funding. So these are the. Then this last we are working on this for IEEE funding we got. Okay, for $1,000. Where foot balancing, upper limb balancing is like this, but lower limb balancing we have done. Okay. So thank you very much. So exactly 9 o'clock I finished and now I'm ready for the question answer.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your innovative in your words, ma'am. Actually, your research projects are very, 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 very interesting. And before the question answer session, I would like to invite Dr. Deepak Shukla, sir. Deepak Shukla, sir, are you there, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm there.
You want to share something with you, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay. So, Dr. Preeta, okay. So, I think we were the same batchmate. You were in physics department, I was in geosciences.
Yes.
Okay. So, the thing is, because of the shortage of time, but I planned to listen to your session and it was highly good. So, the thing is, this month, maybe our opening of World Ayush Hospital is going to take place. This opening will be done. And there also we are having medical and lab technology department, physiotherapy, naturopathy.
Oh, very
And
nice.
whatever you told, maximum means the things are related to me, mapped, it
Very
totally
good.
mapped. So
Nice.
I would like to just take your means just to ask you, if possible on Saturdays, leaving tomorrow, on Saturdays, kindly arrange some time so that we can have some discussion.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, definitely.
Already, my family members are doctors also.
Mm.
Okay, that's great. Thank you,
Yes.
Dr. Shilpa. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir. Thank you
Yeah.
for joining us, sir. And thank you so much, ma'am. So, dear participants, before the submitting your feedback forms, if you have any kind of query regarding the research project, ma'am is highly experienced regarding the research work. And so if you have any question, you can type or you can send the person in person. Yes. So we can send your queries to directly to her. So you can share your queries in the chat box also. So we can share your question to her also. Thank you.
Or else you can ask. Unmute
Yeah.
yourself and you can ask. My idea was more towards getting the funding because it will be helpful if you have funding. It will be helpful for you to run the lab.
Yes. And ma'am, we are definitely try to get your time for single FDP or single seminar for the research
How
project
to
for
write
all
proposal.
institution.
That's what
Mm.
Yes,
that's
yes.
what exactly I want to say, ma'am. Under this innovation institute innovation counseling, from this year we are there to start with the R&D department. Already that R&D department is there, but currently we need to inculcate it with IIC, and there is some curriculums and activities are scheduled. So for that, it will be very obliged for us that if you are supposed to be guide us on the step by step guidance we needed for all the process, then it will be very good for us.
No problem. Just a glimpse I have shown you. Many devices till now, so many devices. Like now we are working on Anganwadi project. We are working where midday meal is there. Midday meal they are serving in Bihar midday meal. 1 week old sabji. So it is very unhygienic. So we have developed a sensor which will on the top of that only it will come and it will tell no. A food inspector will inspect. So that work is also in progress. So related to biomedical healthcare, anything we have the strength
Yes,
of that.
the engineering and healthcare need to be there in hand in hand. That is you are the true example for that. So definitely we will have parts and with the help of Shilpa ma'am and you, we will develop the all the things in our institute also. So we need your guidance in future also, ma'am.
Okay. So here
Definitely.
the
Thank you.
audience
Thank you.
have the background of which department
They
mostly?
are they are mixed. There is a mixed background, madam. Some are from engineering, some are from management, some are from degree colleges. So the mixed crowd is there. But your session is really very helpful. Means how that time pass and there is a 9 o'clock when the participant ask about the feedback link. Then onward we realize, oh, it's end now. So this is the thing. So it's really very informative, and definitely we will work in the future.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Actually, we are. Yes, Dr. Shiv Kumar, you want to say something? Yes, please continue.
yes, ma'am. I would like to ask a couple of questions to the today resource person, ma'am. Uh, Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Uh, First of all, I would like to congratulate ma'am because as madam told, the time was like we did not go through the time. We are listening to you just simply. I am Dr. Sandabhani Shokumar from Department of Commerce, KL University, ma'am, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Madam, what I have taken the key takeaways from you, like if it is belongs to like a technical science and engineering streams and all, you will be able to develop some prototypes and all to get the funding for the projects and all. So, being from commerce and management, could you please tell us, is there any possibility of? I don't think so that we can develop prototypes through our studies because more descriptive based studies as we are from commerce and management. So, what would be the possibilities to get the fundings from the different funding agencies for any research and project works and other research related works in our India and as well as in foreign countries, ma'am.
Yeah.
I wanted to know that because currently I'm working for the ICSSR also. So could you please elaborate for
Yeah.
that, ma'am?
Yeah, actually, in my knowledge, I have limited knowledge in that, but I will tell you. When in 2011, I got a naval research boat, Indian Navy, because defense sector is having three, Navy, Air, Air Force, and military services, na? So in Indian Navy, what
Okay.
they told, they came to our college and they told that MBA students, same question they asked. Okay, I told I will develop a vessel, big, huge, this one, where any small hole is there. So then what will happen? Multi-crore funding. They are making a bada jahaj, and it will sink one day like Titanic. Understood? So there, what I told that I will make the optical sensor throughout that. So any small hole can be detected. Then MBA, my friend was there. She told what I can do, how I will get funding. Very important you understand this. He told the person, the commander, they were commander from the Indian Navy, a scientist,
Mm.
they told that, see, our people who are working in submarine, in months together, they are underwater, submarine, okay?
Yeah.
They are living, their mental status is how, how they are staying, their behavior, because she was from MBA. So she was having
Yes.
background of that. I do not know how much it will be helpful, but people are not doing the research. So some people, see, we people, we will go 1 or 2 days only. We will go, my God, how we will stay months together. Imagine inside when war time will be there. So what will be the behavioral study of the human being? You should do the research on that. Understand? So this kind of
It's
research
great.
you can do, and you can find out with the data that one person can survive by taking how much food quantity, how many times, and all, like behavioral study of the human being, which is very important from the for the defense sector. Same thing is for the Air Force, same thing is for the Indian military services. So defense people were telling, not only science and technology people will get the funding, but we are giving funding. Naval Research Board. You just type in the Google, Naval Research Board, DRDO.
Okay.
Naval Research Board,
Okay,
NRB,
ma'am.
DRDO. And then you just find out in that all the sectors are given. So you belong to which sector? What is your, suppose if you are doing analysis, data analysis for the financial sector, finance related. So each sector is important for the mankind humanity, because research is not only for the, development of the product, but human behavior is also important. Survival is also important. If human is only not there, then what is the use of gun and all any other devices? Correct. So in that
Yes,
atmosphere,
ma'am.
in that surrounding, how you will persist? So you have to research, and the previous who got the funding, like my name, I got Preeta Sharan, it will be there. So who got from MBA department, commerce department, everything is maintained in the website. So you just go
Okay.
and check it. Yeah, it will be available. With my
Thank you,
limited
ma'am.
knowledge,
Thank you, ma'am.
I can share.
No, ma'am. No, it's not. It is not about the thing, madam. Because actually, we do have a lot of skills, but we do not know the platforms where we can project over there. Because as I told that we have some that low confidence level that we could not able to develop the prototypes like other people engineering and sciences are doing.
No, 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 no. It's not like that. Same question was asked long back. So they told first important is you people will do the statistical analysis, which is
Level,
very,
madam.
very important. Whatever things are there, any
Idea.
device, statistical analysis you do.
Yeah.
So now AI is there. Your
Yes,
statistical
madam.
data prediction model. So you can do the prediction model. So AI is not only for the
Yes,
science
madam.
and technology, sir. AI is for everyone. And now ChatGPT model is there, model. So what kind of prediction model you want? LLM is there directly. You just feed the data. It will give the it will give the output. So it's not like that only science people will do. So this commerce and arts people, everyone can equally are equally important for for the humanity and mankind. So which is very important. So all those type of things are coming. I observed Mahila Sasakti and all like this. People are writing proposal for that kind of things. So you can do that. You have to search actually. And anyway, I will find out with our very recently. I guided one people in my MBA department. They got the ATAL FDP. They are writing on AI. It is for the statistical data. So I will contact those people and I can also help you through the Shilpa madam.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Hilpa madam, if you can uh, forward that information, if madam sends you, it would be the
Yes,
great help for us.
Sure, sure,
definitely.
sure, sir. Yeah.
Definitely. And
Yeah.
you both can correlate and you can publish paper because paper is very important. And always try to work in the collaboration. Today I
Yes,
become
ma'am.
like this
Nowadays
because of
people are asking.
collaboration. Yes,
Mm.
alone if you are sitting in KLE college and you think that is only the end of the thing, it's not like that. You should always attend the conference. You should always listen the talk. When I started, I was in teaching, general teacher, teaching how people will go and take the class and come back. But when I attended the workshop, when I attended the FDP, when I attend, I am listening to other people. Oh, how these people are doing. I still remember in 2010 and 11 time when I Cisco company when they were talking about 3 lakh cost is there one Cisco router. How you can save say, 3 lakhs? Why to purchase 3 lakh? Cisco router. Why not a system itself you can configure? That again I am telling technically. So
Yes,
so
ma'am.
so 3 lakh you can save. Then you know what happened? after coming that, I was thinking, oh, 3 lakh I can save. Why not? I will write the proposal on that. And surprisingly, I wrote that proposal only. And that how to save the, how to make the system itself as a router. Okay. Then I
Inbuilt.
got 20 lakh funding in 2012. In my biodata, it is
Oh,
there.
fine.
Yeah.
Congrats.
So when you will
Yes,
listen to
ma'am.
others, you will get some input actually. That you
Yeah,
input,
ma'am. Yeah, that's
small
what
input.
we have been. Yeah, we have been doing all those things, ma'am. Even very recently, I presented the paper in Bangalore Christ Jayanti University,
Oh,
which
very
is
nice.
recently become university. Before it was autonomous college. But
Very
the
nice.
thing is, what we didn't have that much information where we could get the funding also for our work and our proposals all. So
No,
we were lacking of that
I will help
information,
you in
and now I got
collaboration.
the.
I will help you in collaboration. You
Yeah,
always
ma'am. Thank you,
collaborate
ma'am.
with others and write
I'll
their
be
name
really
also in
happy,
the
ma'am.
paper. You write their name also in paper.
Yeah, no issue, madam. What's wrong
Mm.
in that? Yeah, yeah, no issue, no issue.
Like 5, 6 country I have done
Nowadays,
MOU. So if foreign people are very
oh,
much
ma'am.
interested. I will tell you LGBT is there, na? Something LGBT, you know, na? Male
Yes, yes,
and male
yes, yes.
gay and all those
Yeah,
type
yeah,
Yes,
of
yes,
madam.
things.
yes.
In
Yes,
Hawaii
yes.
University, they are very much interested. If you are interested in University of Hawaii, you
Okay,
just type
okay, okay.
and you can find out there this population is more.
Okay,
So
okay.
they are interested in this kind of research. Equality should be there. Like I can say gender equality. It's like that. So those type of
Yes,
things
yes,
are
yes, yes.
on
Yes, yes,
your
yes.
domain. Your people are there to
No
work.
issue. Yeah, definitely, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah, madam. If opportunity is there, we
Sure,
would like
sure.
to work with
I will inform to
like
Shilpa
as you
madam.
told that
Yeah.
collaboration work. I'm ready.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words and the information which is invaluable, ma'am. So thank you for your patiently answering the questions and all. But definitely, it would be a great session for me, and I think it will be a turning point for me also because today I came to know that this and all. So definitely, I'll be in touch with you, ma'am, after
Sure.
reaching a little bit goal. I'll let you know with great happiness in very soon, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
ma'am. Thank you for answering.
you. Thank
Hello,
you.
Dr. Shilpa.
Yes, sir.
Just if somebody is interested in socio-economic research part
Okay.
on indigenous people,
Okay.
so we are into that.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So you please let me know any management guys, commerce guys, or
Oh,
art education, what Dr. Preeta was talking about. So we are having that.
sure, sir. Of
Yeah.
course, sir.
Thank
I'll
you.
share this
Please
information.
help. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Preeta.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And
Yeah.
Dr. Annapurna Mehta, you raise your hand. Please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, actually, like sir was saying about the research work, na, so we are actually interested. Actually, I'm from management field. And good evening, ma'am, Preeta, ma'am. As
Mm.
you're talking about that gender equality, na, so we
Yes.
have that subject. This year we have introduced
Oh,
that. And
yeah.
yes, ma'am, as per
And you know,
NEP.
you're very
And
surprised. I will tell you, University of Honolulu is there in US, United States of America. So I have done
okay.
6, 7 country research MOU with myself, not with the college, personally. So we both are in collaboration. So that person gave me this LGBTQ, like, you know that. So I was wondering that what I will do there. So good, then I can connect them. He's a very senior professor, but he belong to that category. So he told that if you will write the proposal and that place, Honolulu, University of Hawaii, is surrounded by the sea totally. If you will see the map, geographical. So he was telling that their gender equality should not be there. They should treat equally, but it is not there. So for that, what kind of things he told me to do that part. So definitely, I told I am not the correct person. I am developing the device, sensor, and all. Yeah, but he told some technical things so that they do not want to hide the thing that I am gay or I am this, all those things, LGBTQ. So, but I should get proper respect in the society. I think you are the best one to collaborate with those people. and they were giving even to, foreign, you can go there and you can work with them. So I will connect with those people, and you can do work
Please,
for
ma'am,
them.
if you can share the details with
Yes, yes,
Shilpa,
yes.
ma'am, she will
Yeah,
share
yeah.
with us.
Sure, sure, sure.
Please, ma'am, that will help us a lot. And here at Chhattisgarh, ma'am, at Chhattisgarh State, I have collaborated with the director of that particular group who is working for the transgender. So I have called
Okay.
her to take one awareness session here, because that is the subject. So we need to tell them about the transgender and their legal rights equality as well.
Yes, yes.
So I was interested in this area. Yes, this is a new subject, so there is a big scope here.
So
So
where
if
you
you
are
could
from, which
please help.
place?
I'm from MET University, Chhattisgarh, ma'am.
Oh,
Raipur, MET
sure.
University, Chhattisgarh State is there.
Okay.
Okay, from yes. And
Good.
I'm a
Nice.
management faculty. So like
Oh,
Shiva sir said, ki yes, for management there is a problem for this prototype development. But here we have 11 schools. At MET University,
oh,
we have 11 schools. So with the asset student, that means with engineering students, we collaborate with management students. Like they develop the prototype, but the remaining part about the marketing or financial aspect is done by the MBA, BBA or
yes.
MBA students. So they make a proper group, and through ISC, because I'm also a member of ISC and Innovation and Incubation and Entrepreneurship Cell. So with these students, like 4 or 5 students from different group, they collaborate and they go for the Ideathon, Hackathon, and our students have won some of the hackathon in national level as well.
Very
So
nice.
in this area, I'm very much interested. Therefore, it was an interesting topic for us. So I wanted to know if you could help us in this area.
Yeah,
Thank you so
sure,
much for your
sure,
guidance, ma'am. Thank you so much.
sure.
Thank you, Shilpa, ma'am, for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for joining us. And yes, and
Shilpa
thank you.
ma'am,
Yes,
a
sir.
small submission, ma'am. Ma'am, I have given my details, madam. Could you please share to who to collaborate, or if you can share others' details also to me, I will be the most happiest person for regarding that, ma'am.
Of course, Dr. Shiv Kumar, sir. I will share your details to ma'am, and if ma'am allow me, so I will share
Sure,
her
sure,
details
sure.
to you directly. Don't
Sure,
worry
sure,
about it.
sure,
Yeah, you can connect me if you
Yeah, just now
anybody
one.
participants you want to connect with her. You can connect me. I'll share in person.
sure.
Okay.
Just now one was suggesting, right? So, okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Anybody, all the participants, I'm requesting who wanted to have a collaboration, kindly let me
Yes. Yes.
know.
Yes.
I'll be the part of that. Thank you.
This is a
Sure, sir.
very good initiative.
Sure,
Very
sir.
nice.
Yes.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yes. We
Thank you
are
so
there
much.
to. Yes, we are there with the collaboration, ma'am, with you. So
See,
yes.
this is the outcome. They are telling now what is the take home. This is the take home.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
collaboration you are,
Yeah,
it's not like
definitely.
one side people are talking and another side just no help simply for certificate sake. No, it should not be certificate sake. It should be for, something you should gain. You should learn something. Like, for example, I told that professor is there. So that professor, I will connect with the person who are interested. So through Silpa madam, I will give the connect. I will inform them. So like this only you can do. And then joint publication you can do.
Yes. The particular area we
Yes, yes.
definitely want to
Sure,
collaborate
sure.
with that for research papers and research project, ma'am. And thank you for joining us. Actually, it's my honor to say thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your wonderful research project with us and the information for research project. Your presentation was truly insightful and inspiring. It gave us a deeper understanding of the topic and the new perspective of thinking about, ma'am. So we truly appreciate your efforts, dedication, and passion you put into the work. So thank you once again for taking the time to share your valuable research and for motivating all of us to keep exploring and learning, ma'am. And also you are welcoming like us people to collaborate with you. That is so nice of you. Thank you so much, ma'am.